I just looked at everything that I'm supposed to be limited to and not eat as much as, and definitely have some self-control with a lot of things. Especially, I think the biggest challenge for me is going to be the between meal snacks, because I love snacks and snacking and stuff like that. So I'm nervous, but I'm also excited to see how much self-control I have and what I can and can't do, and kind of push my diet limits. I don't know, but I'm really excited, and I think it's going to be a challenge, but I'm excited for the challenge. I'm ready. Okay, so day 4, and I'm trying to eat healthier at dinner and stuff. And so for today, I made some Brussels sprouts for dinner and like sauteed them. And I ate most of them, but that's really healthy. And then we're making black bean burgers. Ooh, super healthy.